Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your bike or car insurance online. So all you have to do is head over to this link, enquiry.navigate.org.uk/check your vehicle. Right off the bat, you will be redirected to a page where you can check your vehicle. And from here, all you have to do is check or choose the type of vehicle check you want to do today. So you have an option here to check if you want to do a personal check. This vehicle is owned, registered, or insured by me or my employer, or if you want a third party check. If the vehicle is owned or insured by someone else, then once done, just click on continue. Make sure that you read the use and terms and confirm by checking the box. Then click on agree and continue. So from here, all you have to do is enter your VRN or vehicle registration number. Then once done, just click on check your vehicle. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!